Greetings, this is Ms. H and I'll be giving you a tutorial on Dreamweaver CC 2015. Let's get started. This is part 2. Resize the Gucci image to a 150 by 150 pixel. So what we're going to do is select image, select the Gucci image, come down to the properties panel. We're going to put 150 in the width here and the height and click enter. Next question. Question 33. Change the width of the shirt sales table to 450 pixels. So what we're going to do here is select the table. So we'll come up and select the table. Make sure when you select the table, the table should turn black like this. Okay, once it turns black, you know you've selected it. And then we're going to come down to the properties panel and change the width to 80%. So we'll come down to the width, type in 80, and now it says 80%. So we're going to click this little down arrow and choose the percent sign. Now we have to center it on the page. So we'll come over here under Align, click the down arrow, center. Next question. Insert a row between the first and second row of the shirt sales table. So here what we're gonna do is select the row, and we're gonna move our arrow here. Make sure we select the row, make sure it turns black. Then we're gonna right click on it, select table, come down to rows and columns. And here, remember, we're inserting a row between the first and second row. So we're going to choose row, one row, and we want to place it below the selection because we chose the first. We selected the first row. Then choose OK. Next question. Open the Gantt.html file and copy and paste all of the text into the IceCamp file. So what we're going to do, we're going to come over to the Files panel. Over here, select the Files panel. We're going to select the file, and we're looking for the Gantt.html file. We're going to right click on it, open it. Then we're going to come up to Edit, select all. Now we'll go back to Edit, and we're going to go back to Edit, click on the click paste. Okay, so what we're going to do here, open the Gantt.html file and copy and paste all the text into the IceCamp folder. So we're going to come over into the Files panel, look for the file name, which is Gantt.html. We're going to right click on it, open, then we'll go up to Edit, select all, Go back to edit, copy, go to the document over in the files panel where we want to paste it, and then we'll go to edit, paste. Edit, paste.